Hello guys, today I'm with my brother. Want to open this toys. This toy's name is Zuru Rainbocorns Sequin Surprise Series 2. Let's open it. There's so many surprises. This 10 layers, which in surprise it's which can rainbocorn pulp, surprise accessory, berbentuk, and sticker and more. This one, 2, 3. Cuma apa nih? Kita buka dari sini. Wow. I love mountain. That's cool. What it is? Wow, that's cool. This one. It's pizza. Wow, that's not a pen. Hey, baby. Wow, this pizza.
Yuk.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's pizza. Let's open another surprise. No! Hey! Let's open it. Hey! Yeah. Gini ya. Wow. This is a boo unicorn. Wow! Boo unicorn. Boo lions. Boo flamingo. And boo panda. Boo owls and boo lambs. Yes. What surprise will you hatch?
Sini. Nah,
This I have a boo one. Yes. I have boo lamb. Warna semua. Udah. Dan ini katanya berbentuk ini bisa ditaruh di atas pensel seperti ini. Ini kan lagi nyebrang. Kelihatan nggak sih?
mana?
Nih, tuh.
Oh, iya.
Udah. Di atas pensel. Seperti di gambar ini. This one. This one. And this one. This one sticker. Bella and maybe another friend. And this Hottie. It's this Zaz and this flashnya this Lola. And this one, this sister here. Now I want to show this accessories and the line here. And this is look, it's gold, and I'm well taken it here. It's pizza, yummy. But then fight. This Bella, it's have rainbow hair. This, Now I want to open this surprise. This Rainbocorns book. Open this. This color is yellow and pink and purple. It's a book. Yes, I want to put sticker. And my egg. I want to put it zest. Here. It's glimmer. I want to put it in here. But another sticker. I want to put in my room. And thanks for watching in my video. Bye bye. And forget me. Do, 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 do.